Why use multiple machines when one system can do it all? This integrated tube processing machine combines straightening, cutting, end forming, and 3D bending into one automated solution. The integrated tube processing machine is special designed for copper, aluminum tube process, including tube decoiling, straightening and cutting, end forming, and 3D tube bending process, which is widely used in the field of AC or refrigeration, automotive industry. The machine works automatically from tube decoiling to finished product without manual operation. With its high-precision straightening system and chipless cutting technology, the integrated tube processing machine delivers cleaner tube ends, stable feeding performance, and less material waste. Equipped with an advanced 3D bending system, the integrated tube processing machine handles complex tube geometries with high repeatability and excellent forming accuracy. To improve automation and workflow efficiency, our machine-used gantry robot automatically transfers tubes between stations, reducing manual handling and creating a more efficient production workflow. And automatic alarm functions help monitor material shortage, blockage, and bending abnormalities in real time, improving production stability and reducing downtime. With high precision, stable operation, and fully automated production, this integrated tube processing machine is built for manufacturers who want higher efficiency and smarter production. Smarter tube manufacturing from Bobo Machinery. Contact us to obtain the specifications and product catalog for this machine.